Validated materials have received basic reliability testing to accelerate the process of bringing new materials into the market. They've been tested and tuned for a reliable operation on select Stratasys FDM printers. Hi, I'm Rachel Rakowski, a Stratasys applications engineer. PC-FR is a polycarbonate filament with flame-retardant additive to meet the EN 45545 fire safety standard and the R1 HL2 fire hazard scale of the European railway industry. PC-FR provides a good lower temperature material with these FST capabilities. It is paired with SR100 soluble support, which allows for greater design freedom. PC-FR has a tensile strength at break of 9,900 psi in the on-edge or XZ orientation and 4,600 psi in the upright or ZX orientation. The mechanical strength of PC-FR is comparable to our standard PC material, but there are some properties such as on-edge tensile strength at break where PC-FR slightly outperforms PC. With its flame-resistant properties, PC-FR is a great fit for passenger and commercial rail applications. Uses range from small parts such as seat components to replacement for obsolete parts. One example is this cable guide used in American and European trains. It is used to improve the cable's resistance to vibrations and to avoid abrasion damage. A few other examples of rail applications are this panel bracket for high voltage power relay modules and this insulation plate to connect electrical relay boards. In short, 3D printing with Kimya PC-FR provides a faster method than injection molding for making replacement parts that meet railway safety standards. For more information, please contact your Stratasys reseller or visit stratasys.com. Thanks for watching.